Ever wonder how professional chefs get that perfect punch of citrus flavor in their dishes? It's all in the zest. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to zest a lemon the right way, without making a mess, wasting any of that golden goodness, or accidentally zesting your fingertips. Whether you're adding it to baked goods, pasta, or even cocktails, knowing how to get the most zest with the least effort is a skill worth having. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be zesting like a pro. First things first, wash your lemon. I know, it seems basic, but trust me, you don't want any wax or dirt getting into your food. I give mine a good rinse under warm water and dry it off completely. A dry lemon is much easier to zest, and nobody likes soggy zest. Also, make sure your lemon is at room temperature. It's much easier to zest than a cold one. If it's been in the fridge, just let it sit out for a bit, or roll it between your hands to warm it up. Now, let's talk tools. There are a few ways to zest a lemon, and each method gives slightly different results. My go-to? The lemon zester. This little tool is designed specifically for the job, giving you delicate strands of zest with minimal effort and no wasted lemon goodness. Before I start, I always put on disposable vinyl gloves and grab a large mixing bowl. The gloves protect my hands from absorbing too much of the lemon's natural oils, which can be irritating if you have small cuts or sensitive skin. Plus, lemons can leave your hands feeling weirdly sticky. The bowl? That's my secret to catching every last bit of zest, so none of that citrus magic goes to waste. I hold the lemon in one hand and the grater over the bowl. Then lightly rub the lemon against it, rotating as I go. The trick here? Don't go too deep. You only want the bright yellow outer layer. The second you hit the white pith, you're in bitter territory, and that's not what we're going for. No microplane, no problem. A box grater works in a pinch. Just use the fine side. It's not as precise, but it gets the job done. Just go slow. Nobody wants a lemon-zested knuckle. And if you're feeling fancy, a citrus zester gives you those delicate, curly strands of zest, perfect for garnishes. Whatever method you use, just remember, the key is light pressure and constant rotation to get even zest without digging too deep. Now that we've got our beautiful zest, let's talk storage. Fresh zest has the best flavor, but if I have extra, I pop it into an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to a week. If I know I won't use it right away, I spread it out on a baking sheet, freeze it, and then transfer it to a sealed bag. This way, it stays fresh for up to 3 months. And here's my pro tip. Label your bag or container with the date. Trust me, frozen lemon zest looks suspiciously like frozen ginger. And let's just say lemon-flavored stir-fry is not a trend I'd recommend starting. All right? So now that we have this amazing fragrant zest, what do we do with it? The possibilities are endless. I love adding it to baked goods for an extra citrus kick, stirring it into pasta for a fresh pop of flavor, or mixing it into yogurt and smoothies. It also makes an amazing addition to butter or sugar. Just rub it in, and you've got lemon-infused magic ready to go. And that's it. Zesting a lemon is quick, easy, and a simple way to bring a burst of flavor to just about anything. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you use lemon zest in your kitchen. And if you want to see how I put this fresh zest to good use, check out my next video where I make a lemon bundt cake using the zest we just made. See you there.